Hello, I'm Steve, your trusted learning partner. Thank you so much for taking your precious time to listen to my podcast. If you find it helpful, please give it a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I truly appreciate your support. Now, let's get started. Today's topic is cultivating a positive mindset for learning English. In this episode, we're going to uncover the answer to a big question. Why do I understand English but still struggle to speak it? Stay with me because the answer might surprise you. Alright, if you're on a mission to learn English, you know how challenging yet rewarding the journey can be. Whether you're just starting out or you're at intermediate level, it's easy to feel overwhelmed or frustrated at times. But what if I told you that the key to success doesn't just lie in memorizing vocabulary or mastering grammar rules? The real secret to success is cultivating the right mindset. In this podcast, we're going to explore how having a positive mindset can dramatically improve your English learning process. By the end, you'll feel empowered and ready to tackle any challenge on your way to fluency. So, let's jump in. The power of mindset in learning English. Before we dive into strategies and techniques, let's take a step back and talk about mindset. Have you ever noticed that when you approach learning English with a positive attitude, things just seem to flow more easily? On the flip side, when you're discouraged, frustrated, or doubtful about your abilities, progress seems slow or even impossible. That's because mindset is everything. If you adopt a growth mindset, you believe that with effort and practice, you can improve your skills no matter where you start. However, if you have a fixed mindset, you might think you either have or don't have the ability to learn English, which can prevent you from trying new things and pushing yourself further. Having the right mindset is one of the most powerful tools in language learning. It will help you navigate challenges and resilience, maintain motivation, and most importantly, stay excited about your progress. Redefining fluency in English. Now, let's talk about fluency. So many people get caught up in the idea that fluency means speaking English perfectly or sounding like a native speaker. But here's the truth. Fluency isn't about perfection. Fluency is all about communicating confidently and effectively in a variety of situations. So, ask yourself, what does fluency mean to you? Is it being able to have a basic conversation while traveling? Or maybe it's being able to understand your favorite TV shows or podcasts without subtitles? Your definition of fluency should align with your personal goals, and that will make your learning process feel more meaningful and achievable. If your goal is to speak English with locals during your travels, then fluency might mean mastering simple phrases like ordering food or asking for directions. But if you're planning to work in an English speaking environment, your fluency goals may be higher, like being able to participate in meetings or write professional emails. Your definition of fluency should always serve your personal aspirations. Setting personal goals for English learning. Speaking of goals, setting them is one of the best ways to stay motivated and focused. The key too is set personal, specific, and measurable goals. Instead of saying, I want to speak English better, try something more concrete like, I want to be able to introduce myself in English and describe my hobbies in 5 sentences. When your goals are clear, you can track your progress, and that makes the journey feel more manageable and rewarding. Don't aim for perfection right away. Start small and then build upon those achievements. For example, you might set a goal to learn 10 new words each week, or to have a 5-minute conversation with a language partner every day. These small wins are vital because they add up to big results. And when you accomplish something, no matter how small, celebrate it. The more you recognize these moments of progress, the more motivated you'll feel to continue learning. Focusing on small wins. Every time you learn a new word or phrase, understand a sentence structure you once struggled with, or successfully hold a conversation. Celebrate it. These small wins are often overlooked, but they are milestones that make the process worthwhile. Instead of focusing on what you haven't mastered yet, turn your attention to what you have learned. Maybe you were able to order a coffee in English without a hitch, or maybe you understood a joke in an English TV show. That's progress. These little moments of success boost your confidence and motivate you to keep going. When you acknowledge these wins, you realize just how far you've come, and that's incredibly empowering. Building resilience. Let's be real. Learning English can be tough, and there will be times when you feel stuck or frustrated. You might feel like you're not improving as fast as you like, or that you're not getting the hang of grammar rules. But here's the thing. Everyone faces challenges, even the most fluent speakers. The key is to be resilient, the ability to bounce back when things get tough. Resilience means not giving up after making mistakes or feeling discouraged by a plateau. Instead, see these moments as opportunities to learn and grow. Embrace your mistakes because they are part of the learning process. Ask questions, seek feedback, and continue practicing. Over time, you develop the confidence and perseverance you need to reach your goals. The importance of community and support. One of the best ways to stay resilient is to surround yourself with a supportive community. You don't have to do this alone. There are millions of people around the world learning English, just like you. Find a language exchange partner. Join online forums or Facebook group, or even attend local meetups where you can practice speaking. When you have people who understand your struggles and cheer you on, it makes the process feel a lot less lonely. Not only will a community help keep you accountable, but they can also offer tips, share resources, and provide encouragement when things feel tough. And don't forget that you can be a part of someone else's journey too. Helping others with their learning is a great way to reinforce your own skills and feel more connected to the language learning community. The power of gratitude in learning English. Another mindset shift that can transform your English learning experience is gratitude. It's easy to focus on what you haven't mastered yet. But if you shifted your focus to what you already know, every time you learn a new word, sentence, or concept, take a moment to appreciate it. Think about the amazing resources available to you. Online courses, podcasts, language apps, YouTube videos. There's never been a better time to learn a language. Gratitude helps you stay positive and motivated, even when you face challenges. Instead of thinking, I'm not fluent yet, think, I've learned so much already, and I'm excited to keep going. When you approach learning with gratitude, you feel more motivated to continue, and the process will be far more enjoyable. Embracing mistakes in English learning. Finally, let's talk about mistakes, and more importantly, how to embrace them. Making mistakes is natural and necessary part of learning. In fact, Some of the most fluent English speakers made tons of mistakes before they got where they are now. The important thing is to not let your mistakes hold you back. Instead of feeling embarrassed or frustrated when you make an error, see it as a learning opportunity. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this mistake? And use it as fuel to keep improving. Mistakes are not failures. They are stepping stones toward fluency. And remember, the more mistakes you make, the more you'll grow. Every time you speak, even if you make a mistake, you're building your skills and confidence. And there you have it. By adopting a growth mindset, setting personal goals, celebrating small wins, building resilience, and embracing mistakes, you'll be well on your way to mastering English. Remember, fluency isn't about perfection, it's about progress. So, keep moving forward, stay positive, and enjoy the journey. Well, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who are also learning English. We're all in this together, and with the right mindset, there's nothing you can't achieve. Until next time, happy learning!